In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to view and read CSV files using 4N6 CSV File Reader software. Our tool provides users with advanced viewing and searching for forensics, simultaneous analysis of multiple CSV files, detailed examination of large CSV datasets, supports CSV files from various sources. To install the 4N6 CSV File Reader, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides user with dual options. You can choose either one of the options available. Choose Files option to select single or multiple files. Choose Folders option to select the entire folder at once. Click on Choose Folder option and select the folder containing CSV files. And click on Select Folder button. A panel showing the list of CSV files within the selected folder will appear on the left. Our tool supports CSV files from various sources. Click on any file to view its contents. A panel will appear next to it showing the list of all the headers in the selected CSV file. Our tool can easily manage both CSV files with and without headers. User can also include or exclude an entire header column using the checkbox next to particular headers. Show All Records option will show all the records from within the selected CSV file. Contents of the CSV file can be previewed on the panel on the right. Our tool provides users with adjustable panel and scroll bars for better preview. Displayed Records option allows the user to keep record of how many rows are in each CSV file. Our tool also enables the user with advanced search option to easily locate and highlight specific keywords in huge datasets. Press Enter button to view the output. The user can also export CSV files into various formats. Click on the Export button and select an export option. This tool provides users with multiple export options, such as Convert to EML, MSG, MBOX, PST, and JSON. In order to export CSV files, user will have to purchase license to the software. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.